Hey, I'm Joe and I welcome you to my kitchen. You know that from time to time I like to share with you some delicious recipe which are not really quite baby friendly, but I feel like they should be out in the world. Everybody should know about them because they are really delicious. From this category we have Boeuf Salad. It's a dish that people have during Christmas period and New Year's Eve. This recipe has two gimmicks. One are the quantities. You need to be careful what quantity you use from each ingredient, otherwise you won't get it right. About the quantities, we have 730 grams of potatoes, 440 grams of carrots, 500 grams of beef, 230 grams of pickled peppers, 220 grams of pickles, 260 grams of green peas, 500 grams of mayonnaise, pepper and salt. First, I boiled the carrots and the potatoes, also the beef. I used green peas from can, and I don't usually do this, but this time I bought the mayonnaise. I didn't make it at home. Now you cut all the ingredients in small pieces, except of course for the green peas. Don't go for really small pieces. This dimension is just right. And here at the pickled peppers and the pickles is another gimmick. After you cut them, you need to squeeze them really good. Otherwise, you won't have the great salad that I'm talking about. I'll just continue doing the same for the rest of the ingredients. When you are done cutting all the ingredients, you add some salt, some pepper, and the mayonnaise. And you mix all the ingredients. If you want your Boeuf salad to be really fancy, you can also decorate it with some parsley, pickled peppers, and black olives. You can let your imagination go wild with this decoration part. Enjoy it, get back to me with your feedback, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notifications and spread the word about it. Bye!